The topic of this FlowPro tutorial is the priority load checkbox for the indirect water heater. We find the indirect water heater under the hydronic tab. We click and release the mouse and we have it on the end of the cursor. Click again to drop it on the screen. Click and highlight it with the green dots and we can turn it so it faces the boiler. Let's double left click on the indirect, go to key data and change the default of 100,000 BTUs to 50,000 BTUs. To find the priority load checkbox, we double left click on the indirect, go to type, and here is the priority load checkbox, and the default setting will have this checked. This means when we take the connection tool and connect the indirect to the boiler will not see the indirect load. Let's just set the delta T to the default. And if we double left click on the boiler, you can see the boiler and the piping only can see the two heating loads, HL1 and HL2. If we double left click on the indirect again, go to type and uncheck this box, now all three loads are added together to 135,000 BTUs and the boiler will now see all three loads. Our pipe sizes have changed from 1 inch to 1.25 inches. If we go back to the indirect, check the box, we now have put the indirect back again as the priority load. Our pipes have gone back to 1 inch and the boiler seeing only the two heating loads. And that is the priority load checkbox for the indirect water heater.